In a dense forest, a group of students gathered for a survival skills workshop. They learned to identify edible plants, recognizing the nutritious dandelion and wild garlic that often go unnoticed. As the sunlight filtered through the trees, instructors demonstrated fire-starting methods using cotton balls and flint, igniting excitement among the participants. The students split into pairs, practicing essential knot tying, vital for securing shelter and crafting tools. By the end of the day, laughter and camaraderie blossomed, enriching their connection to nature and fostering a sense of self-reliance that many would carry for life. This experience not only taught important survival skills, but also deepened their appreciation for the great outdoors.